I appreciate you joining. I hope that you are in good health. Copaiba essential oil benefits, the Magnifier oil. Copaiba essential oil is derived from the balsamic resin or sap of the Copaiba tree. It is extracted from South American rainforests, specifically in Peru, Venezuela, Colombia, and Brazil. Copaiba has a subtle aroma that is similar to balsam, honey, and cinnamon, along with a hint of wood, like a very diluted cedar. Copaiba essential oil is quite sustainable because it can be harvested without causing harm to the tree or the forest. Amazonian healers would use copaiba resin for wound healing, anti-inflammatory benefits, and pain relief. Brazilian healers would also use copaiba resin for bronchitis, tonsil infections, sore throats, and many other inflammatory disorders. Copaiba oil is one of the most potent anti-inflammatory essential oils in the world. Several research studies acknowledge the effects of copaiba and its natural compounds for relieving pain, healing wounds, improving skin conditions, protecting the nervous system, and fighting cancer and tumors. The best known and most researched component of copaiba oil is beta-carophyllene, which is also found in clove oil as well as basil, oregano, black pepper, cinnamon, and rosemary essential oils. All of these oils are known for their pain-relieving and anti-inflammatory effects, and copaiba oil contains approximately 4 times as much beta-carophyllene as clove oil, which contains between 6% and 12% beta-carophyllene. The other 2 main compounds in copaiba oil are known for their disinfectant abilities in wound healing and prominent for their antioxidant, anti-cancer, and antimicroorganism properties. Copaiba is known as a magnifier. Anytime you use copaiba with another essential oil, it will have the effect of magnifying the properties of that oil. This can enable you to use less of another more expensive oil, or get larger benefits from a different oil that you are using. In particular, it pairs well with ylang-ylang, vanilla, citrus oils, sandalwood, jasmine, rose, and frankincense. Copaiba oil is said to be amazing for the skin. It can help tone and moisturize tired and sagging skin. Just add a few drops of copaiba to your regular skin creams, or add a few drops to a damp cotton ball and apply it to your face daily. Copaiba oil may also boost the skin's collagen production to increase the elasticity and firmness of the skin. When used long-term, copaiba essential oil could help reduce the appearance of stretch marks and scars. The anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties of copaiba essential oil are also quite effective for common skin conditions, including eczema, acne, and psoriasis. Adding a few drops of copaiba essential oil to a damp cotton ball and applying it to the affected areas of your skin will soothe the inflammation and redness associated with both acne and psoriasis. Copaiba essential oil may also be effective for scrapes, minor wounds, bites, and burns. When it comes to pain relief, copaiba essential oil is an absolute standout. It can help relieve the pain associated with a variety of conditions, including headaches, migraines, muscular cramping, back pain, sciatica, gout, and arthritis. To treat your headache, you can combine your copaiba oil with a carrier oil and apply it to your temples, neck, and forehead. For muscle pains or arthritis, make up a massage oil with your favorite carrier oil and gently rub it into the affected areas of your body. So now that you know how effective copaiba essential oil can be, you can now use it as the indigenous population of South America has for hundreds of years to treat many ailments. Thank you for watching. Good day and good health.